Hey, this is Rick Mouery with Mouery's Flooring, and today I want to talk about how to maintain this oil finish hardwood from Hallmark. So Hallmark's oil finish, they're called a NuOil oil finish. That's the finish that they apply to their hardwood. So on Hallmark's hardwood, now every oil finish hardwood, they're done different, especially when they're done in the factory. They use different types of oil. They apply them differently. Some bake them on, some don't. Some hand rub them on, some don't. Some spray them on. So, and one of the most intimidating parts about purchasing an oil finish floor is the maintenance that goes behind it. So in this case, the maintenance of this NuOil hardwood really isn't any different than any other, urethane or pre-finished hardwood floor. You just have to use the right product. So on this product, so this is Organics from Hallmark. This is their solid. Organics is the style. This color is called Moroccan. So when they finish this in the factory, it's an open grain hardwood. They will hand rub 2 coats of this NuOil finish into the grain of this hardwood. They'll put it through the oven, bake it on, or bake it into that grain so that that oil is actually soaking into that grain. And then when they put it through the baking process, it makes that grain even harder from the inside out. And then before they ship it out, they'll rub 2 more coats of oil finish onto this floor, so it gives it that kind of rich, oily luster, but still has a really, matte finish and a real natural look to the hardwood. So as far as maintaining this hardwood, there's nothing you have to do when it's installed. Some oil finish hardwoods, after we install it, we have to apply more coats of finish to it. This already comes pre-finished. This is ready to go, the day that we install it. So as far as maintenance, there's 2 products. We have the Renew product, and then we have the natural oil cleaner. This natural oil cleaner is your day-to-day cleaner. If you use, if you've ever used like on a vinyl or a hardwood floor, like a Bona cleaner, that type of cleaner, this is the everyday cleaner. So on this floor, really any pre-finished hardwood, you want to sweep, get all the dirt, dust off the floor before you apply any type of cleaner to the floor. You can actually use a soft bristle vacuum to clean these floors as well. So you'll clean the floor, dust the floor, get all the dirt off the floor. Then you'll spray the cleaner in front of you, and you'll kind of mop your way out of the room. With this cleaner in particularly, it has oil in the cleaner, oil and cleaners in the spray. So it will oil your floor and clean as you go. You want to stay off of this floor once you back out for about 15 to 20 minutes, since you are spraying oil onto the floor. You don't want to see your footprints across the floor. So that's the normal maintenance on this. They suggest once a quarter. I say, once a quarter, twice a year, once a year, whatever your preference is. They have this Renew spray, this Renew oil, and this has just more concentrated oils in it. So basically you're doing the same process, and you use a mop on both of them. You'll use a microfiber cloth on the mop. You'll spray it, back yourself out of a room, and you'll want this to dry. I believe it's around 12 hours before you walk onto this finish. So because it does have a little more of a oil concentrate to it. So all this is doing is, kind of renewing the oils in your floor, kind of making the finish on this floor look more original. Any oil floor over time is going to patina out. That means the colors in the wood itself will change color. The colors in the traffic patterns will change colors. And that's part of the beauty of an oil finish floor. So these oil finish floors are great for families with kids and pets. Another unique thing about this product is they actually have a soil release or a stain release product that you can purchase or we can get for you, that if you do get a grease stain on this, there's another type of oil that will help release that stain out, and then you apply this oil finish over top of it. So it's a great floor, easy to maintenance. We have blogs about it. This video tells you the step-by-steps on how to do it. there's just a lot of good resources here at Mouery's. We are a full service store, so we offer installation on this hardwood. This hardwood in particular is here in stock. It's just a great product, extremely durable and beautiful when it's installed. So come by and visit us at Mouery's, and we'll talk to you more about oil finish hardwoods.